It's very important that you don't overwork at the last moment, because at last what will happen that after studying so much you will just get frustrated, and that will reflect in your performance that on that day itself. So it's very important to be very relaxed at that point of view, and for that you have from 2 to 3 months back you have to do multiple revisions. Do multiple revisions, read it again and again. NCRT is very important. Read each and every line of NCRT again and again, and then solve papers. Solving papers which are based on NCRT, because nothing comes from outside NCRT. So, solve just those MCQs which are based on NCRT syllabus. So, and do it again and again. Even though they are repeating, do it, because somewhere the concepts of them will come.